Before we begin, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so you never miss out on practical and eco-friendly tips to keep your home cool, green, and beautiful. Did you know some indoor plants can actually help cool your home during hot summer days? While fans and ACs do their job, these green companions work quietly in the background, absorbing heat, releasing moisture, and purifying the air. If you're looking for a natural way to beat the heat, these 5 indoor plants are just what you need. Summer can turn our homes into ovens, especially in regions with high temperatures, but nature offers a gentle solution. Certain indoor plants can actually help cool the air by absorbing heat, releasing moisture, and improving air quality. Let's explore 5 such plants that not only beautify your space, but also help fight the summer heat naturally. The Areca palm is one of the best natural air cooling plants. Its long, lush fronds absorb heat from the air and release moisture through a process called transpiration. This creates a slight humidifying effect that cools down indoor spaces. It's like a natural air cooler sitting quietly in your living room. Growing it is simple. It prefers bright, indirect light and a consistently moist soil, not soggy, just damp. Water it when the top inch of soil feels dry and mist its leaves during hot days to enhance its cooling effect. It's a fast grower and can be placed near windows or corners where it gets filtered light. Aloe Vera is another powerful plant for summer. Its thick, fleshy leaves store water, which keeps the plant cool and helps lower the surrounding air temperature. The gel inside the leaves is mostly water, and the plant itself releases oxygen during the day, which refreshes the air. It absorbs warm air, filters out harmful pollutants, and contributes to a fresher indoor environment. Aloe is incredibly low maintenance. It loves sunlight, so a sunny window is perfect. Water it deeply, but infrequently, only when the soil is completely dry. Make sure to plant it in a pot with good drainage to prevent root rot. The snake plant, or Sansevieria, is unique because it continues to purify air and release oxygen at night, unlike most plants. Its thick, upright leaves can absorb heat and act as insulators, slightly reducing the ambient temperature in a room. It also removes toxins like benzene and formaldehyde, making the air not only cooler but healthier. It thrives in both low and bright light and only needs watering every 2 to 3 weeks, depending on humidity levels. Let the soil dry out completely between waterings. It's nearly indestructible, making it perfect for people who forget to water their plants. The peace lily is both beautiful and functional. Its broad leaves release moisture into the air, increasing humidity and reducing room temperature through evaporation. It's especially helpful in dry summer conditions where air conditioners can make the air uncomfortably dry. The peace lily also absorbs heat-trapping pollutants and refreshes stale indoor air. It grows best in shaded or indirect light and needs regular watering to keep the soil evenly moist. Wiping its leaves occasionally will help it breathe better and look more vibrant. If the leaves droop, it's usually a sign it needs water, but it recovers quickly. Lastly, the rubber plant has large, glossy leaves that do more than just look good. These thick leaves are efficient at absorbing indoor heat and removing toxins like formaldehyde. As the plant matures, its foliage can act as a natural thermal barrier, absorbing warmth and helping moderate room temperature. It's an ideal plant for living rooms or office corners. It enjoys bright but indirect sunlight and doesn't like to be overwatered. Let the top inch of soil dry out before watering. Wipe the leaves to remove dust so they can continue absorbing heat and light effectively. By bringing these plants into your home, you're not just adding greenery, you're inviting in natural air cooling systems. They work silently, require minimal care, and offer a long-term solution to managing indoor heat. With just a little attention, some light, water, and occasional care, you can enjoy a fresher, cooler, and more breathable space all summer long. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up, share it with someone who needs a cooler home, and remember to subscribe for more natural home care tips. Stay cool and stay green.